Hello, today's my class is concerned to Gauss theorem application. One of its application of Gauss theorem, that is non-conducting sphere field potential calculation and some application of field and potential applications. Right. So that is non-conducting sphere. Conducting sphere. Non-conductor is one. In that sphere, if you place any charge, it is localized at that place only. Whereas conductor, wherever you kept the charge, that it is moved to the surface. So look at here, sir. This is the non-conducting sphere. Of radius is capital R. Like this. Non-conducting sphere of radius is capital R. But having uniform charge density, rho is constant. Sir, here we are going to get three parts we are going to solve the field. That is, before going to solve the field, what is Gauss theorem? The electrical flux through any surface is equal to Q by 4 pi epsilon 0 times solid angle. Q by 4 pi epsilon 0 times solid angle. That is equal to Q by 4 pi epsilon 0 into solid angle, 2 pi into 1 minus cos theta. 2 pi into 1 minus cos theta. 2 pi 1 sir, 2 pi 2 sir gets cancelled. Q by 2 epsilon 0 into 1 minus cos theta, flux of any surface, not closed surface, any surface. For a closed surface, theta equal to 180 degrees, plane angle, then Q by 2 epsilon 0 into 1 minus cos 180, that is Q by epsilon 0. Then you can understand 1 minus of minus 1 plus 1, 2 cancel Q by epsilon 0. So in book you will observe this is the Gauss theorem, but it is applicable for all the surfaces. Right. Sir, in non-conducting sphere, I am analyzing like this. Small r is greater than capital R, means outside the sphere. Outside the sphere, I want to calculate the electrical field. Like this. At this point, I am interested to calculate electric field. You may get it out like this. Sir, you are considering for sphere, you are considering it as Gaussian surface is a sphere. Why it is not other surface? If I imagine cube or a cylinder, it won't be equidistant from every point. Then field is not constant. Field is not constant means we can't bring the field outside. Then non-uniform field I am going to get. So little bit difficult. That's why we are considering for cube we consider it as cube, sphere we consider it as sphere, cylinder we consider it as a cylinder only. Right. To get uniform field. Let us suppose a small r is the point, there I am finding the electric field. Integral E bar dot ds bar is equal to 1 by epsilon 0 times charge enclosed. Here sir, consider the small surface area whose area vector is like this. And electric field is also like this. Because positive charge diverges the lines. So line of force direction is like this, means tangent onto it gives field direction. E and ds are parallel. So then E into ds cos 0 equal to 1 by epsilon 0 times charge enclosed by the Gaussian surface. Total sphere is inside Q only. Q is the charge on the sphere. Then E bring it out because uniform everywhere field is constant. Integral ds 1 by epsilon 0 times charge. Now that is E into integral ds area of Gaussian surface 4 pi small r square is equal to 1 by epsilon 0 times charge. E equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 q by small r square is the electric field outside the sphere. That is, E is inversely proportional to small r square outside field. Let it be case 1, sir, because outside I am taking as case 1. You can understand very easily. So why we can't calculate potential at this point? Potential, sir, V equal to minus integral E bar dot dr bar. Potential due to any point E bar dot dr bar. Now that it is minus E, sir, 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 q by r square into dr cos 0 1. Now that I am going to get like this. Sir, we are calculating from infinity to the point smaller. Infinity to the point smaller. Next term. If I bring it this side, sir, this side, V equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0, 1 by r square integration, 1 by r square integration, we know very well, minus 1 by r, infinity to smaller, since x to the power of n dx equal to x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. That you know very well. That is 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 q by r minus of minus plus minus of minus plus. So q by r minus q by infinity. Q by infinity becomes 0. So potential due to outside the sphere is 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 q by r. So conclusion of this sphere is V is inversely proportional to smaller. Inversely proportional to smaller. Outside we got like this. E is inversely proportional to smaller square. I am writing conclusions, all are here. V is inversely proportional to r square. V is inversely proportional to r when small r is greater than capital R outside the sphere. Next, sir. Case 2. On surface means sphere itself. On surface, sphere itself. That is small r equal to capital R. Small r equal to capital R. Then E equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0. Instead of small r square, you have to write capital R square. Q by capital R square. Potential we will get like this, sir. 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 q by r. Small r equal to capital R. But take care, please. E is inversely proportional to capital R square is wrong because you are concerned to that same sphere. Same sphere. Small r is variable, but capital R is not variable. Capital R is sphere radius. And one more thing. This field is maximum. Potential is not a maximum at surface. Next one. Inside. Inside only you have to think about it. Sir, here E max equal to KQ by capital R square. Potential equal to KQ by capital R small r equal to capital R. This is first class conclusion, second class conclusion. Next, third class. Here you have to take care. Very important thing is, till now you didn't disturb the sphere. Now we are disturbing the sphere. We are moving into the sphere. That is inside of the sphere. Inside of the sphere. Small r is less than capital R inside of the sphere. Here, sir, consider a small point inside of it. This is the Gaussian surface. Here, charge charge is not constant. Charge is not constant. Charge density is constant. Charge density is constant. Then I have to approach the problem with charge density. You may get it out like this. Outside, why you are not calculating charge density? Outside I am not disturbing the sphere now. Where I am disturbing the sphere? Here I am moving inside. Part of the sphere I am considering it. Then density equal to charge by volume. 4 by 3 pi r cube. 4 by 3 pi r cube. I want to calculate enclosed charge, charge density into volume of Gaussian surface, charge density into volume of Gaussian surface. Q by 4 by 3 pi r cube into 4 by 3 pi small r cube. 4 by 3 pi gets cancelled. Then it is Q small r cube by capital R cube is the enclosed charge. Q small r cube by capital R cube is the enclosed charge. Then apply the Gaussian surface, Gaussian formula. Integral E bar dot ds bar equal to 1 by epsilon 0 times charge enclosed. E into ds 4 pi r square, that you can understand. ds and E are parallel, cos 0 1. Then 1 by epsilon 0 times charge enclosed, q r cube by capital R cube. R square R cube gets cancelled. E equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 q r by R cube. This is electric field due to inside. That means third case we are getting like this. E proportional to small r. If I replace in terms of charge density, multiplying by 3 and on both the sides, you will get, it's not a big issue. Rho r by 3 epsilon 0 is the electric field due to the non-conducting sphere inside. So you may get it out like this. How to get the potential due to this potential part? Same concept is same, sir. V equal to minus E bar dot dr bar. But here we can't come direct infinity to small r. Why? Because infinity to capital R field is different. Capital R to small r field is different. That's why we have to do 2 times integration. Once again, sir, infinity to capital R field is different. Capital R to small r field is different. That's why we have to make integration 2 times. That is infinity to capital R minus capital R to small r E bar dot dr bar. Then V equal to minus E bar dot dr bar 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 q by r square into dr outside field 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 q by r cube into small r dr is inside the field. Then I think so you can understand. Here limit is infinity to capital R, here capital R to small r. Nothing is there, integration part only. V equal to 1 by r square integration, just now I developed it, minus 1 by r. That is 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 q into 1 by small r capital R to infinity minus 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 q into r cube r dr integration r square by 2 directifies r square by 2 capital R to small r integration limits. Then potential equal to q by 4 pi epsilon 0 1 by r minus 1 by infinity minus q by 4 pi epsilon 0 r cube into small r square minus capital R square by 2. If I make integrations, this I am getting 0. V equal to q by 4 pi epsilon 0 2r cube if I take common, 1 by 2r cube if I take common. Next I am going to get here Here only r is there. I have to multiply 2r square plus into minus, minus r square plus r square. So the conclusion of this is V equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 q by 2r cube into 3r square minus small r square is the potential inside the Gaussian surface. That is V proportional to 3r square minus small r square is the potential. Clear?